Popular cruise port is reopening. What are some of the major cruise lines banning? And a cruise port hits record numbers. Let's find out. I'm Tom, your host, and this is Tom's Day Trips, the cruise show. And this here's a margarita. Cheers. Well, today we're going to talk about Carnival Cruise Line with a scam going on. A popular port is finally reopening, and some record numbers in a particular cruise port. But before we do that, I'd first like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Doesn't cost you nothing, very simple. There's a button on the bottom, click it. Make sure you activate the notification bell. This way you get notified when my videos come out. And I want to thank you in advance. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about is Carnival Cruise Line. There's a scam going on with Carnival Cruise Line. Most of us, when we book a cruise, we don't get it paid off right away. Or later, halfway through getting it paid off, we want to do itinerary changes. We want to change this, we want to change that, upgrades. Well, this couple basically needed to do that, so they searched the internet for a phone number, and when they called, it was a bogus phone number. They said that we want to make an itinerary change, automatically said it was going to cost you $465 to do it. Click. Smart thing to do. Then they called, after they searched for the website, the phone number of the website, called up, got the person on the other end and said, hey, this is what happened. He said, the 10th person today has called with that type of scam. It is totally a scam. Anytime you call the cruise line, make sure you get it from the website or write down the number when you make your reservations, your paperwork. Never just randomly pick a number out of the internet. And anytime you call for any type of reservation changes, they are not going to charge you a fee to do that. And never give your credit card to someone that you don't know on the other end. Very important. So just be safe, be smart, and happy cruising. All right, next thing we're going to talk about is the port in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Pier 3 was damaged back in April of 2024 by an MSC ship. What they did, they broke the mooring dolphin. Not the dolphin that floats in the ocean. This right here, it helps the ship steer in, which is the mooring and security of the ship, and that was broken. Well, they had to fix it before they can able to receive enlarged ships. So like the Symphony of the Sea, that style, that big mega ship, was not able to go to Puerto Rico because of that reason. Well, this Pier 3 should be fixed hopefully by the end of January. They're saying January 20th. I'm going to give it another week. By the end of January, they're expected to have the pier fixed and to be able to receive enlarged ships. So that's a good thing that Puerto Rico's doing. They had to repair it. That was very quick. And that cruise port is a beautiful cruise port. Been there a couple of times. Nice cruise port. So if you go to Puerto Rico, San Juan, enjoy yourself. All right, next thing we're going to talk about here is what is being banned on some of the electronics on major cruise lines. So NCL is banning walkie-talkies and drones. Yeah, I can handle that. Royal Caribbean is banning ham radios and baby monitors. Who would bring a ham radio on a ship? Baby monitors I can see, and I'm glad that's being banned because you don't really need to listen into what's going on in your room when you're not there. You should trust the cruise line and the attendants that taking care of your room. And make sure you lock up everything that is worth anything inside the safe they give you. Now, Carnival is banning Bluetooth speakers. Another good thing, you're on the Lido deck by the pool, you're listening to the music they provide for you, and all of a sudden you're hearing 4 or 5 different types of music coming from everywhere because of these devices. Don't need it. I'm glad they're banning them. So, if you want to know what is being banned on a particular cruise line, you go to their website. You should be able to find all the banned items. Make sure you don't bring these banned items and they don't confiscate it anytime during your cruise. All right, last thing we're going to talk about is the port of Antigua. They have hit record numbers in 2024. So in the year 2024, they saw 570 ships, 825,526 passengers went aboard and went ashore in Antigua. That is a beautiful cruise port, lots to do, great downtown, nice bazaar area that you can, little shops. It's great. Just walk the area, be safe, of course. And there's other cruise ports that are breaking numbers too. The Bahamas just whaled their numbers compared to last year. I reported that a couple of videos ago. New Brunswick, Canada, same difference. Southampton, England, Malta. So these are just quick cruise ports, but I get a funny feeling that cruising is booming. You got 15 new ships coming into play in the next couple of years. You have cruise ports that are opening up. Cruising is alive and well. The pandemic was here, it went, now cruising is thriving. So I'm happy for that. So this is some good information. I do appreciate you tuning in today. I'm glad I was able to get this information out to you. And until next time, cheers. I'll be seeing you. Bye.